InvisaCook tutorial video, all the ins and outs you need to know.
Induction cooking is all about pan creating its own heat through magnetic waves on it. Now with Caesarstone porcelain, what is amazing, fantastic about it is the fact that it's heat resistant, stain resistant, cut resistant, everything you can imagine, this material can withstand cold. So what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to locate, I've got a 4-burner unit here. So on those 4 burners, I've got it located 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our units do come in a 1 through 5 range on it. So powering it up, setting it up here on power boost. I've got a full clad stainless steel. This is all clad. Best type of material to be used on it just because of how ferrous it is. Meaning if you can take a magnet, stick to the bottom, stick it to the sides and to the inside of it, you've got the best quality induction cookware. Now what you'll see also is I do have a black mat. This black mat is made up of silicone, fiberglass, and then aerogel. Aerogel, the same stuff you put over top of the space shuttle. We've infused these mats with this to help reflect that heat to keep that countertop cool to the touch. So as I get this sucker up and going here, it's starting to steam up currently. Give it another minute on there. A lot of people are also going to always ask me that question, how do I know where the burner is? All right, there are multiple different ways we can find the burner. There's the beeping detection device within the unit itself. So on that, it will beep and tell you if it's not connected. What you can also do is lay down stickers. Once you've done it once or twice, you're going to recognize and know how to do it. And thirdly, if you want, you can also etch a little X to mark the spot of your locations on there. So as of right now, like I said, we have a 1-burner and a 2-burner that's 110 volt. Then we've also got a 220 volt on the 2-burner, 3, 4, and 5-burner unit options. So what's cool here is, as you can see, we've already got the water up and boiling. On here, we can move it over to the side, sticking our hands up and around it, not having to worry about burning ourselves. But then the best part is, come here. Are you daring enough to touch the countertop? I think one of you guys are. All right, so you're gonna see on there boiling water. But put your hand right there. It's not gonna burn you, is it? See, I didn't lie, did I? So again, cool to the touch, which is nice. Now again, over time, that countertop is gonna get warm, right? And it's gonna let you know. It is gonna flash an H to let you know it's warm too. So you want to look at some other aspects towards, InvisaCook, what it can be used into. There's so many different applications on that design. So again, you can have your main cooking element if you wanted. We can put a 1 or 2-burner unit on the sides just for warming purposes, keeping food warm, cooking little things like that. You can put it next to your sink, for example. If you didn't want to carry that big pot of water and dropping it down, we can install it in different situations there. If you think like tiny homes, van life, van conversions, anywhere where countertop space is a premium. If you look at condos nowadays, getting very small, limited countertop space. Adding this in there is going to do it. At the same time, with beautiful porcelain, you'll get that too. Something else really cool too, I don't have my cell phone with me, but we do have cell phone chargers that you can connect right to the bottom of your countertops, plug them right in, put your phone in on there. There we go, we got one here. Set the phone up on there and it's going to charge your phone, boom, instantaneously on the charge. So a lot of really cool things that InvisaCook is offering with this partnership with Caesarstone.